Tall and about 6 to 10 feet wide in places.
What?
Oh, cool!
That would be the only thing that would get me down there.
Yeah.
Where's the bat? Will I see it, Autumn?
Hold one way, put the one around. Oh, I hear our next group coming.
Can we see the bat if we go the other way?
No, no, it's in the tunnel.
Send your backpack ahead.
We're gonna turn it around this.
Autumn, you good? Nothing like sending my child out.
You worry too much about her.
What's that?
You worry too much about her. She does so good.
She does.
She's also a tiny thing. You could just like pull her out with a foot and you're good.
Yeah, yeah.
She is. She used to say she was the shortest person in her grade until a new little girl moved in. Now she's the second shortest.
It's our two girls. They've always been the smallest.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
There are
There's
benefits.
like at least 5 other people that's shorter than me.
Allie, can you grab that
The
backpack?
twins, Lydia, Natalie.
Alright, so feet, hands first,
Not
not
by
feet
much,
first.
but I'm still taller.
It's hard feet first.
You gotta pull yourself along.
I think I'm like,
One arm behind you, one arm on the side. That's it, just like that. You got it. That's it.
Kelly used to get mad at me.
That's it. You're through the tough part.
Alright, Isabel. Go get in the line behind the girls.
You gonna do it?
No, Isabel. I
Oh.
am not doing that. I would get stuck.
No, you
Oh,
wouldn't.
I would, and then I would start hyperventilating.
There you
So-
go.
And then if I could
Very good. You gonna try?
And that's not allowed.
Yeah? Okay. Go for it.
Fall. I'm waiting for Ava to.
Just Nazi feet.
And then push your backpack in.
That's it.
I want to see the bat.
You gonna go see the bat?
I want to, yeah. I hope I know where I find it.
That backpack.
Yeah.
Can you take this with you and take a picture? Oh, you got yours?
I have a phone.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Is this clay?
As long as I can. Autumn, are you still by the bat?
Is this clay?
Yeah.
Autumn, are you still by the bat? Kind
I
of.
know.
I'll look for it.
Every once in a while you'll find where people have taken the clay and made little sculptures.
Oh.
I noticed like a little ball of clay over there.
Yeah.
before,
Yeah, people do that, and I think it's really kind of cool. You're not really defacing the cave, and so that's good.
I was actually wondering like how it was like a ball, sitting on a ledge.
Yeah.
Oh, funny.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just playing with mud, right? Like, doesn't get better than that.
That's it. There we go.
So what's the other?
I'm sending it back.
I think he's gonna go that way too.
We're gonna go that way, climb over a rock, and then stoop down and go to the Y where the other passage meets.
That's why we have helmets. Yeah.
You testing it?
Yeah.
It's fun.
Did it work?
It's fun wearing a helmet.
She doesn't even have to go sideways. She just fit right in.
Yeah.
Brother.
Where's the bat?
They're having way too much fun.
Isabel, find the bat.
We'll never get them out.
It is.
It's in there somewhere.
We'll never get them
After you get
out.
through the hole.
Okay.
My girls are like,
I love that.
No, it's really good.
Do people think Autumn is fearless because she's willing to do so many things, but she's actually takes very calculated risks with most things, which I actually
yeah, I guess that's a better description.
right, which I love.
That is a way better.
Because she's not fearless, which is good. Like
Yeah.
she was riding horses for a long time, and if the horse was going, she was scared. She wasn't.
So, Isabel, can you do me a favor? Send Bartholomew through first.
We need him full of mud.
Guys,
you need him full of
where are
money.
you?
Right?
Sending Bartholomew?
They just fit.
There's no struggle
Oh
with
no!
that
Did
at all.
Bartholomew roll the wrong way?
Probably. There's a little ditch over on this side.
Funny.
Oh, the bat is. She can see the bat now.
You can see the bat.
Yes. It's like right. It's to the left. It is so
Why is the bat?
So
not
you
freaking
can see
out?
the bat right to your left right now.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Like, how come the bats are like that?
Sleeping.
Sleeping right
Is it a
now.
dead sleep? Wonder what kind it is.
Isabel, can you keep going?
Yeah.
Okay, keep going.
She's just looking at the bat.
I'm trying to remember the name of the mine that was on our property.
Autumn, you
With all
good?
the bats. So they got a grant to map it with sonar, with LiDAR. And they're gonna try and open up passages to get the airflow happening again, to blow out the white nose
Bacteria.
and
Alright, you going?
They're asking left or right.
I can definitely fit in there?
left
Yeah.
or
Where are you?
Yeah.
I've done it, you're like.
No, I'll do it.
You make a right just after you get in, then you crawl all the way down, and then when you can stand up, then you make a left.
Stand up, go to the left.
Yes.
Autumn, you good?
Telephone. Alright, let's see you make this.
Alright. This is crazy.
Let me know when you see the bat.
I feel like I can't fit in here.
You fit in there?
I don't think I can.
I used to. No, not anymore.
Not anymore.
I don't know if I can. I'll give it one shot.
One arm
We need to hold you by your legs and then kind of let you
There you
guide
go.
yourself in.
Oh, I see. I can't see anything.
What if you turn on your
Last year I
side
liked
light
it.
too? Maybe you need two lights.
2 lights?
Maybe turn on that light on the side. Would that give you more light? And
Maybe.
then while you get through, then you can see. And then turn it
There
back
you
off.
go.
last year I might have been right there.
You know, perimenopause.
I was gonna
is
say,
quite a killer.
listen, 52, I'm with
I feel
you.
like I can't fit in.
Okay.
No? Oh, okay.
I like-
That's all
I
right.
like-
That's
I
all
just-
right.
Discretion is the
Yes.
We don't
You
want
know
to
your
change
limits.
our-
I feel like the angle is just worn on my
Yeah,
side.
that's good. Yeah.
Are you going through?
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Okay.
Did it before. I'm hoping I can do it again. I want to see the bat.
All right.
I have
well,
motivation.
There you go.
I want to see how you do it. Yeah.
That, see, I can't, it's with the glasses, I have like limited peripheral vision here.
Yes.
With the glasses and the helmet. Oh, look at that.
Okay.
That's where I would get stuck. Good job.
Wow.
Where's the bat?
It was to your left, I think. I think she said it was right there to your.
I see it.
If I was like a foot shorter, I would feel differently, but I was like,
Yeah.
I don't know if this angle is really going to work.
Everybody's different.
Like I stuck my head in there.
You looked at it. Gave it a shot.
Oh, are you gonna try again, or is she still getting
She's through.
I'm through. I'm just taking a picture of the bat.
Okay, I'm going to head on through then.
Okay.
I'm going around.
I can hear girls. I can see the girl. I see. Did you come over the top of this? Yeah, I kind of like slid on my butt. Wait, y'all stay right there. We're gonna do.
Ooh.
Your mom took a picture.
Whoa. This is amazing.
I have lots of baby wipes too.
Where's my mom?
It came through.
She went down the wishing well thing.
She did?
Yeah.
I didn't see her.
She was the last one.
Hi, Isabel.
All right. Can we all get in that hallway there? That's right. We're going to head that direction.
Which direction?
That way.
Look at the sort of waves up there.
Thank you. It looked like a brown bat.
Okay,
Got a picture of it.
cool.
2 pictures.
Look at all of the waves. Is it cottage cheese? When you
No, it's just a container of chips.
Oh,
Hey, Autumn, go over by Alan for a second.
friends, if you take a look up top,
I'm taking a
you can
picture.
see
I'm
all
gonna
of
take
the
a picture.
waves
You
going
brought
all the way
up.
up.
Oh, there we go. Ready?
It looks
The lights are
really
making it a
like
little. Look, if you look away from it. There we go.
You okay?
Mom, can we go in there?
You can.
Yeah.
Yeah, just go around and circle around this way, okay?
Are we going that way?
We're gonna go down this way,
Wait, so I circle left, right?
to the right, yes.
Okay.
She's the only one that's missing it.
Well, if you wanna try it, you can too.
Autumn, do you want a buddy?
Isabel's gonna come right behind you.
Wait, can someone carry my bag?
Buddy system.
That's right.
I definitely need to get out in front so that,
Oh,
testing that helmet out, there we go.
Bye, Allie.
I'm glad it works.
Bye, buddy.
So it was Autumn, Ava, and Allie.
Yeah.
And Isabel.
Autumn, Ada, oh.
everyone's counting for it.
Is that the A team then?
There's one
Autumn,
peddler,
Ava,
Girl
and
Scout leader.
Allie, yeah.
Count.
Hi.
Oh! Okay, here we go.
Oh, yeah, we went to DC. We went to DC and we just count the entire time.
I got yelled at in the Museum of the Native America because I let somebody away from us.
Because Ava was just standing like slightly away from
Ava
us.
was standing at the end of a hallway, and I got finger waggled and chastised.
Oh.
The train also
You all right?
didn't come. That
Yeah.
was fun.
I'm listening to her
So
story.
we joke that we're museum delinquents.
We even made we could say museum delinquent.
Alrighty, here we go. This,
There's a salamander. Salamander.
did you find a salamander? Very cool.
Do you want a phone? It's just a centipede.
Oh, it's a centipede.
That's not nearly as cool as a
Don't
salamander.
touch it. It's
Right, Autumn, peek down.
Okay, who's gonna be our lead?
Me.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, now just remember, your legs are short for going down this hill, okay?
Got it? Okay.
Do you want me to go down first?
I got it.
You sure?
You sure?
Yeah.
All right, take your time.
Make sure you wait for a buddy too, Autumn, okay?
I think Alan's gonna come behind.
You make it look way too easy.
She does.
It is easy.
She's like a salamander.
Okay, who's going next? All right, what I'm gonna do, hold up, don't go down, don't go through the hole yet.
I know.
Yeah, I'm gonna explain how this works.
Is it okay to go down like this?
Yeah. Go down feet first. We go down this hole, the hole is a triangular hole, okay? You gotta have to get on your back, I'm sorry, on your side, so you're back against this wall, and go feet first through that hole, okay? You're kind of pulling yourself up on this side of the hole.
Okay.
So that you can slide through it. It's not a far drop, it's like 2 feet.
Yeah, it's not far at all.
And you go down, and then when you get in there, once everybody gets in there, there's 1, 2, 3 ways to get out of that room. You got to figure it out. Okay? And I'm going to go to another section so I can take pictures of you guys trying to get out.
Okay. Is there a tight way?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So, one more time. Head first, right?
Feet first.
Feet first.
Feet first, yes.
Both facing which direction?
With your back against the wall.
Like this, and then your feet first.
Yes.
Okay, thanks.
Autumn, don't forget a buddy.
I know.
You ready? Yeah, go ahead. Take your time. Yeah, it's a little bit of a drop and it's a little bit slick. So take your time and take care of people in front of you and behind you.
Isabel is a responsible buddy.
That's it.
god. Did you get your magazine about that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, me too.
The knee pads are
Click
great.
it with my movie.
Yeah, I think the knee pads are definitely.
Yeah.
Hold Bartholomew for this.
Got it. Yeah, this is tight getting through.
I don't know. You can go first.
Don't have to go this way. I'm gonna go walk around the other side. I'm just sending them.
As you go.
So I can point and laugh. I did.
But that's the fun of being in the cave. I love that they found that back themselves. That was kind of awesome.
Was it super obvious?
That?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Well, once I knew where to look though.
Oh,
Because when you were under that little part, I would have just been
Just
like,
kept
keep
going.
going, keep going, keep going, keep going, which was to the right and that was to the left. So had I not known it was there, I don't know.
All right,
it
I'll
was.
take
okay, so you're gonna go in and you're gonna tell me if I can do it or not, okay? And be honest.
Just tell her you can do it.
No, she will actually not listen to you, she will listen to me. Because she knows.
She knows the repercussions.
No, she just knows how I am, so. That's all. She wouldn't do it to me. She loves me too much. I'm watching as they go. I might be able to, because it's just a small space that you have to go through, but it's open on either side.
It opens up and then you have
Yeah.
to get out of it, which is another small space.
Okay, not smaller, not as small as that one back down
No.
there.
No.
Okay.
But if
But
you
I
get
can
down
see
there.
the other side, so.
Okay.
If I get down there and decide not, I can come back. right?
Yeah, exactly. It's whatever you're comfortable with doing. I want you to have fun.
I think I'm gonna try. I can always come
I
back.
think you'll be okay with this one.
I can
Please comment, like, and share. It helps others find this video.